Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to build out a Valentine's Day set. And since I already have nails on, we are actually just going to build out from my current set because I figured why not? So I'm taking Ideal Pink Builder and I am just going to apply this all over my nail, and this is going to be our pink base because I think I'm gonna do some Frenchies and I just want a nice pink base as the French. So just applying a nice thin coat because I'm not going to have to build this up, obviously, because I have my nails already built up. And this is a builder gel, so this will not self-level.
And I've been chilling, watching the ocean with you. Baby up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our cloudlands when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey.
Alright, I think I am going to go to, I think I'm just gonna go to long. So what I'm gonna do here is apply this down the side because we are, I think, gonna go coffin-ish. I think I'm gonna do coffin. And then, of course, you're going to want to apply it over the tip just a little bit. And what I'm going to do here is I am actually going to build out on my nail now that we're here instead of coming back and building it out.
I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
Going to take that cool gel again and we're gonna encapsulate that. I don't really mind if my gold foil moves. If you don't want it to move, you could have stuck something down and then cured it and it wouldn't have moved. I mean, no joke, look at how pretty that is. All right, just grabbing a nice thin layer here because I want this to be wet.
And I'll be running, possessed by a low, low voodoo, fired up like a wolf.
So I'm going to just push these guys off because I don't want the glitter on there. I mean, how fun is that? I don't know what's going on with my focusing. It is going to drive me bonkers. Okay, applying that clear again. You can see I'm not being super precise. I'm just getting it on there. I know that probably sounds like super lame, but you're going to fill this in and put stuff on top of it. So why spend all the time to try to make this perfect? You're literally building it out on the form. That's my thought.
And we stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us, and I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place.
All right, I am going to apply a little bit more of that clear because I'm gonna add some gold foil in it as well.
Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to.
All right, now we're gonna go in with our building bead.
Speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. Drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost.
Y'all, I thought I was being sneaky / resourceful. I used a peel off base on my current set. You can see it didn't go well. So I gotta figure out how to salvage this, because I spent a lot of time on this and I think it looks good, except for the obvious. So I'm gonna need a second, so it may look different when I come back. All right, I'm gonna try Luminary and see if it covers. I think it will. And my camera is dying. Gonna let it self-level, add a little bit more. And I think we're gonna be able to recover. And it's blurry. But yeah, my camera's dying, so I'm gonna finish this and I'll be back. Say my recovery went pretty well. Would I recommend it looking like this? Probably not, but I feel like you kind of got the gist, and in theory it was gonna turn out so pretty. I can't be completely mad at it because like the tips still came out exactly how I wanted. Do I recommend a peel off base? Absolutely. Do I recommend doing really long dramatic nails with a peel off base? Probably not, because we sitting in, it's just, structure's not there. It's just, and my finger is crooked. Don't judge this guy. He just crooked, okay? He just, see, we just coming back. We almost the same, okay. Yeah, I'm not mad at it. However, you saw my mistake. All right, thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you made it all the way to the end, and some oopsies. All right, guys, have a great one. Bye-bye.